Hey guys, it's Ryan in Ecuador, sharing this beautiful country with you. Today I'm super excited. I'm at this restaurant here. It's called Horno de Omar. This is one of my favorite restaurants down in the valley of Tumbaco, just outside of Quito. We come here all the time. There's a trail, the Chaqueñan is just over there, so we'll do a little bit of hiking and then we'll stop in here on the way back and just get some delicious food. We got a beautiful garden setting here. It's pet friendly. On a beautiful day like this, you sit out here and just eat a pizza and drink his craft beer. It's a great place. So I contacted Omar, the guy who owns the restaurant, who designed the menu, asked him if I could come into his kitchen and have a look at the food, how he prepares it. The most intriguing part is the dough is all made from sourdough. Sourdough empanadas, just amazing flavors. It's really good stuff. Let's go check it out.
People like this. Y'all don't know 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 people like this. Dropping them hits like bliss. I bought my cheese like Ritz. Fuck a vacay, don't trip. Y'all don't know people like this. 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 Y'all don't know people like this.
Entonces, no, pizza vamos a hacer. En este momento vamos a preparar la masa de pizza y tenemos ingredientes ya más tradicionales, más comerciales, como es el orégano, sal, aceite para que la masa no salga muy seca, pimienta para darle un toque de picor y nuestra salsa pesto que de misma manera se hacen acá. Estas son nuestras dos salsas madres del restaurante.
Yeah, so he said at the first that he has to try to measure everything on the bowl, and all pizzas are going to be the same because he had how do you say that?
Scale?
Yeah.
He put sauce in the pizza dough.
Yeah, he put the red one and the pesto. So he said that he always used those two sauces because are very important here in the restaurant for him.
Listo, de aquí vamos a amasar.
Then he put everything and he's going to mix it like 10 minutes so it won't be any gluten on the pizza.
Entonces, acá en el amasado es muy
He's
importante.
saying that he has to mix it like that so it won't get on the table. You have to do it like that so it will mix equally. And he put that on the table so it won't be also sticky.
How long have you been making pizza and empanadas?
Yo he estado metido en la cocina toda mi
So he
vida.
said that he has been on the kitchen all his life because of his mom, that she worked on restaurants at downtown, like Centro Histórico. So he has been always on kitchen. He's 30 years old, and like in 2013, he has been cooking.
Mi pimienta negra. Entonces, yo uso.
He likes to do everything traditional, so he buys the grain, but he himself do it like the kind of dusty, like the one that you saw there.
Yeah.
So he do it everything since like the original piece. He also said that he likes to give like more stable jobs, not only like to himself or his girlfriend, that she also helped him here. So he likes the restaurant to be like really friendly, not just to give food to the client and leave. So he wants to generate like a really nice place so you can visit. Sometimes also his mom come and help since she was the one who inspired him to be in the kitchen.
Un bolillo, pero aquí va a reposar unos 10 minutos.
So he said that you have to leave in the plastic 10 or 15 minutes, so then you can pull I don't know how to say that.
Rolling pin.
Yeah. So he said that he has already done the empanadas because they order like 1,000 by the week. But he said that he can show you the fridge where they're already done.
What kind is the most popular?
There is chicken, higo,
queso y piña.
cheese and pineapple. But he said that every of these flavors he sells the same.
Yeah.
He has like 15 different types of empanada.
Is it unusual for empanadas and pizzas to be made here with sourdough? The masa madre?
La masa madre.
Sí.
So he's going to show you the masa madre. So he said that not too many people in Ecuador use masa madre because they don't know how to treat it. So he has to take care of her like 2 days on a week minimum. So he says if you use half of the jar, then you have to put the same quantity of it with water and flour. Yeah. Okay, so he's going to put some empanadas on the oven, and then he's going to show you like the inside when they're done.
A ver, en este caso les ponemos huevo.
So the thing that he put it there was just egg. So he knows when they're ready on the oven. So it will be like kind of golden. When it's like shiny, he will know that they're ready.
Y aquí le mandamos al horno.
So he's going to put it on the oven so it can be like pre-cooked, and he's doing that little hole so the pizza won't like be like a sponge. So it will be like at the same size. And after that, he's going to put the ingredients. So he just touching it. He said that he knows that it's not yet, it's not ready because of the practice that he has.
I've had the beer, it's very good. So how long have you been making beer?
¿Desde cuándo, o sea, cuánto tiempo llevas haciendo cerveza?
La cerveza. La cerveza de igual manera.
Like just the pizza and the empanadas, everything is done by him. And he started this like 3 months ago with a friend who he studied on England, and he knows about it. So they both of them, they decided to try it. He tries new flavors. He likes to do it sweet and not too sour, but he made their own recipe. The beer already in there, so he can just serve to the clients.
Gasificada, lista ya para su dispensación.
We're going to see how he put the ingredients on the pizza.
La misma salsa que ponemos sobre la pizza es la misma salsa que
So now
usamos.
he's putting the tomato sauce, the same that he used before, and he said that he never like throw anything away about the sauce. Like he shows some albahaca and people like are used to throw it away, like the how do you say tallos? There's some part of the plant that people throw it away, but he uses it, so it gives a different kind of flavor on the sauces that he used. So he likes to optimize. Yeah, he doesn't throw away anything.
Listo. Están previamente pesados.
So he said that everything, the ingredients, the sauce, the cheese that he put in, he already measured it. So in every pizza also go the same. There's no pizza with more sauce than others. So it's easier for him to put price on it. He doesn't spend too much on ingredients and then he give a different price.
Yeah.
He likes to kind of satisfy the clients. So if they ask half, like he's doing now, salami or only cheese, he do it. He has no problem on that. So now he's preparing his favorite, how he call it, pizza de la casa. So he buys most of the ingredients to people that live near and have their own plantations. Like the tomato, he buys from a lady from Puembo. The cheese is also from another person that lives in Puembo. He tries to have the most of ingredients from local people and not to buy it on supermarkets.
Entonces les voy a hacer probar un poco.
This is meat that he likes to serve it with the beer. So before he puts all the pepper and the salt, he has like kind of a honey of the beer that he does. And he put it all over the beef, and after that he puts the pepper and the salt, so it gives a different flavor.
Es curado, está estacionada aproximadamente unos 30 días.
All right, guys, so that's it. Really good food. Special thanks to Omar and my translator. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified. And definitely check this place out because it is amazing. The food, all fresh, beautiful sauces, beautiful everything. Really good stuff. Details will be in the description below. You can't ask for more. Just come here. You can't ask for more.
Prefer when I'm by myself. I don't wanna hang around y'all. Pray for good health. One day I'm gonna go ball. Fuck around and buy the whole mall. Breaking that cake. Flexing 700 in the bank. Not a superhero, I don't save. Look at my face. Look at my grades. Don't match up, no love.